If you run a small business and you want to automate the process of booking appointments, then I have the automation for you. So my name's Evan. I run Odenics, an AI automation agency. If you need help with your business, anything relating to AI in your business, saving time, that kind of thing, then you can book a call with me below on Calendly. So how this works is it's essentially a Telegram bot that you can give to someone, and they can check your availability and book calls with you on Google Calendar. Let me give a quick step-by-step of how to build it. So first we've gone to BotFather. Just search BotFather in here. I've just done /start, and then it's given me my full list of commands for creating and editing bots. I've put /new bot. So we've created a new bot, given it a name, and then it's asked me to give it a username. First time I didn't like it because it was already taken, so I tried that and then it worked. That then gives me the URL to that bot, and it also gives me an API key to connect to that bot. So I've taken that API key, I've created the Telegram trigger, I've pasted that API key in here, so it's connected to that bot. Haven't changed anything else. Then we've got this AI agent here, tools agent. I've dragged text in here. The system message is here. Just said you're a helpful assistant specializing in booking appointments. You're able to create appointments and also check for appointments. Do not allow users to create Google Calendar events that overlap with a pre-existing one. Do not give out the information of already booked appointments. The ability to check for appointments is purely so you can tell the user availability. List availability in 30-minute slots. I'm available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. When someone selects a start time, book them in for a 30-minute slot starting at that time. The current date and time is curly brace, $sign now, curly brace, and I've told it to book in British sometime. Obviously, adjust to whatever time zone you are in. Next up, connected it to an OpenAI chat model. Then we've got two tools. We've got a create event that you can see here. Just change start and end to be defined by the model. And then we've got a check availability operation get many, and I've let the after and before to be defined by the model. And then we just need an output, so it sends a message back. And we use a Telegram node again. We've dragged the chat ID in here, and then the text we've dragged in the output, so it sends the output of the AI agent as a message to the user. And that is everything. So we go to the agent. You can see I've already messed around with it a little bit. If I say, what is your availability? I can't even spell now. Next Monday. Fully available next Monday. Let's have that ready there. So it's Monday the 10th. Oh, no, Sunday. Monday the 11th. I say, book me in for 10 a.m. on Monday. I've successfully booked your appointment. And if we go to, you can see it is booked there. So yeah, really easy to do.